everyone, it's Melly. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. If you're, please don't forget to subscribe down below. I will be very happy to welcome you into our community. So today I have a very exciting video for you guys, at least for me. I am collaborating, wow, this is hard to say, with a beautiful and very kind person here on YouTube, Cait. Here is her picture. Her channel will be linked down below. She's very kind. I love her voice, I love her makeup, and when I saw her for the first time, I mean on video, because we kind of live far away from each other, but I really had this feeling right away of, okay, she's so sweet, you know, like a sweet person. So we've been talking here on YouTube, on Instagram as well. Please follow me on Instagram, and my name up here just on the screen for you guys. Go follow her as well. She's very sweet, and I'm very glad to collaborate with her today. So we wanted to do a video for St. Patrick's Day, so we did each one a look with the color gold and green. So yeah, here is my version, and go check her channel to see what she did. I can't wait to see it. And if you came from Cait's channel, hi, I'm very happy to welcome you. Please don't forget to subscribe down below. And I hope that you enjoy the content, and if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. And thank you very much, Cait, for collaborating with me, and I send you a lot of kisses and love. So as you can see, I am beginning the makeup with a bare face. I just put moisturizer on it, and I'm gonna put a little bit of the Plouise Base Pro on my eye, up right here. I'm gonna begin with the Carnival XL Pro palette from Bperfect to apply a little bit of Pillow Talk right here. It's like a white cream color, and I just want to apply it under the brow, just like that, to help the blending. So today I'm not gonna use just one palette, because I went to pick the green and the gold that I wanted in different palettes. So I hope that it's okay with you. We're gonna begin with my beloved Smoke Session palette from Melt Cosmetic. You know, guys, or maybe you don't know, I don't know if you know, that I love this palette. I did several makeup, I think, on my channel with this palette, so I will put some right here so you can check it out. And we will begin with the Space Queen, which is a deep green. And what I'm gonna do is I am beginning in the outer corner and going up in the outer V, and a little bit as well in the inner corner. Then to deepen the crease, I'm gonna use the color right next to it, which is called Sour Diesel. It's like a more khaki green, but a dark one. And like I said, I'm using this color more in the crease to deepen everything. And I'm following the shape that I just did. Then to blend the color, I'm gonna use this palette from Natasha Denona, which is called Mini Gold Palette. And I'm gonna use the color Dark Sepia, this one, which is khaki but more light than the one that we used before. So I'm using a more fluffy brush, and I'm beginning in the outer V with the brush kind of flat against the skin, and as usual I'm going slowly. I think that's the key for everything. Going slowly. Okay, now I'm gonna cut the crease going all over the lid and until the end of the shade that we created. If you have the impression that your cut crease is a little bit higher than you want to, what I like to do is I'm taking the color that we put on the crease, Sour Diesel, on a flat brush, but you know, really flat on the edge. This one is from Amour Cosmetic. And I'm just replacing the color back into the crease so we can really see it. Now back to the Carnival XL Pro palette. I'm gonna use this color which is called Ecstasy. It is like a neon green. And I used the concealer Pro Conceal HD from LA Girl in the color Fairest because I wanted something more white to really help pop the green neon. So I am using a very flat brush. This one is from Amour Cosmetic as well. And I'm really packing the color into the brush. And I am applying it all over the lid. So I am stopping right here, and to continue I'm gonna use the color Granddaddy, this one from the Melt Cosmetic palette. It's a green mixed with some gold. It's really pretty. And I am applying it to do the rest of the tail. It doesn't have to be perfect because otherwise we're gonna clean it up afterwards. So I just realized that I didn't apply the right color on the other eyes. On the other eye I used the color Black Widow, which is green and gold but more green, and I think that in this eye I just use Granddaddy, but that's okay. We're gonna do a little mix. That happens in makeup, okay, that's fine. I'm just gonna put over the color Granddaddy, the color Black Widow. Oh man. And actually in the inner corner of the eyes I used the color Granddaddy, this one. And with the same flat brush that before, you know, with the really sharp edge, I'm gonna use the color Gravity OG, which is really a gold, and I'm gonna use it to help cut the crease with this gold liner kind of. Okay, I'm gonna clean it up, do the face, and be right back to finish the eye. So we're gonna finish the eye. I'm gonna use the Smoke Session palette, and we are using the color Space Queen again, this one. And I'm gonna apply it in the outer corner of the eye. And to the rest of the eye, I'm gonna use this color from the Natasha Denona palette. In the inner corner, but under the waterline, I'm gonna use this gold. to lighten under the eyebrows, I'm gonna use a tiny bit of this Blue Dream. I already did the bronzer and the blush. If you want to see with what product I used, it's written down below in the description box as always. But for highlight, I'm gonna use Becca Moonstone, which is a beautiful kind of light champagne. I'm gonna use it right here. And I don't know if it's a good idea or no, or not, but we'll see. I have this liquid crystal eyeshadow from Beauty Bay in the color Precious Topaz, which is kind of a gold. And I think that I'm gonna use my beauty sponge and maybe try to put right here to highlight a little bit more with the gold. I'm afraid that it's gonna be uneven, but I think it's working. Okay guys, I finished the look. So I used the Arcancil in my waterline that is called Forêt, forest in English. And on my lips I have Arcancil again. It's Brun Rosé number 320 for lip liner, and I used the color from Bourgeois Rouge Fabuleux in the color 3 Bohemian Raspberry, this one. Up right here. And the glitter, I put a little bit too much on this side. The thing that it's difficult that it's drying really fast, so you have to move quickly to, you know, have something a little bit like not too much on your face. And for the eyelashes, I used the Emax design that I bought on Amazon, and they look just like that. I like them. They're quite, I'll say, fragile, so you have to be careful, but they're very light. I don't feel them, and they're very agreeable, very fluffy, so I really like them. I think that for beginners, they're really good, and for non-beginners as well. So here's the look. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. I was really happy to collaborate with such a beautiful and very kind soul, which is Cait, here on YouTube. So like I said at the beginning, her channel is linked down below, so please go check her out if you don't know her yet. And like the video, share with a friend who loves makeup as well, and I see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye bye.